my lovies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a fabulous day. Today's video is super exciting because look at this, guys. I don't have one, but I have two big massive bags from Pretty Little Thing. My mind is just blown. Everybody loves when they see those pink unicorns galloping through their front door and then postman just can't hold them back and you can't hold them back. You just gotta just break into the pink unicorns and just unleash all the goodness. I don't know about you guys, but that's how I feel when a Pretty Little Thing's order arrives at my house. I have one of the biggest hauls of Pretty Little Thing I think I've ever done on my channel. So strap yourselves in, guys. You're in for a treat. I first off want to say a huge thank you to Pretty Little Thing for working with me on today's video. They are one of my favorite brands to work with. I have worked with them, I think this is like my third time to work with them, and every single time I work with them, I'm just so impressed with them. They're just a wonderful, wonderful company. So I hope you guys really appreciate this video and all the goodness that I have coming out. Obviously, it's autumn, so this is all going to be autumn themed and autumn like products, autumn items and autumn clothing products, clothes. What am I trying to say? Let's just get into the haul. So first of all, I want to talk about this camo jacket that I'm sporting today. So as you can see, this is a crop jacket. I'm actually wearing Pretty Little Thing jeans and belts as well. I'm actually obsessed with them. Anyway, this is a crop jacket. It is so beautiful, so cozy, and I have been wearing this non-stop. You would have seen it in my vlogs. I cannot take it off. These packages arrived last Friday and I have been sporting this since then. I've worn it all weekend. I'm actually obsessed with this jacket. This camo jacket is life. So I will leave a link obviously to every single thing I'm talking about in this haul, as well as the prices. But you know, Pretty Little Thing, they hook you up. They are so affordable and they always have amazing discount codes. So the next thing I want to talk about is this shirt. I wore this as well already. I had this in my vlog on Saturday, I think it was, and everybody was cray about this. It is like a Christmas shirt. It's so beautiful. So it is red and green tartan and I am absolutely obsessed with this. What I usually do with this is I wear it with like a top, a t-shirt or a string top or something, and then I tie it. So I've worn it twice I think now at this stage. I wore it on Saturday and I wore it on Monday and I just love it. I absolutely love it. So it's just your basic shirt and it has like these faux pockets in the front. But I just love it. It reminds me of a blankie I used to have when I was a kid. And I just love the red. I'm really drawn to it. And I don't really wear that many red clothes. So it's an odd piece for me to pick up. But I'm obsessed with it. I really am obsessed with this. This shirt is bomb.com. The next product I want to talk about is this bad boy in here. When I saw this on the website, I was like, I need to have that. It is this ring cardigan. I think that's what it's described at. Actually, I'll get the tag. It is called the Black Loopy Knit Striped Cardigan. So it's a black and white striped knit cardigan, as you can see it there. It's so pretty, but it is like a loopy cardigan, so it has like little loops in it, and it just looks so extra, and I just really like it. I just think it'd be so different to your normal kind of cardigans, and it's just like, what else can you say about it? It's very, very extra, very different, and I love this kind of material. It's really warm, so if you want to just throw on something warm just to kind of keep the breeze off you, this would be my suggestion. I love this cardigan and I'm actually very excited to wear this. Not gonna lie, I had to take an awful lot of restraint not to wear this because I was like, what am I actually showing you guys? I've worn everything in the haul, but that's just how excited I get about Pretty Little Thing. I just need to wear everything as I get it. Next up is this black package. What could it be, you ask? So the next thing is this black biker jacket. I love these jackets. I'm obsessed with them. This one's a little bit of a lighter material, so it's perfect for the transition. It's not quite cold yet, like it's not freezing cold yet. It is just getting to that kind of, you know, like starting to get cold. So this is what that looks like. It's a cropped jacket, biker style, like I said, and it has a zip down the side. I just love when these are kind of like open. I think this looks kind of dressy by times, and then I love the way it kind of like flops open. Do you get what I'm saying? So it's lovely to wear if you're just going for dinner and you just want to kind of obviously wear a jacket. You just don't want something too heavy because you're going to be obviously taking it off when you get in, but it just kind of has that like fitted effect to it. And also then I feel like it's great if you're just wearing something really casual like jeans, you can just throw it over top. So there we go. Are you guys able for this next product? Are you able? Are you actually able? Wait till you see this. I've wanted a jacket like this for probably about a year, but I just couldn't find the perfect one but Pretty Little Thing has it. It's a teddy bear jacket and it's cropped. I didn't want one of those real long ones. I wanted a cropped one because I just don't like the real long ones on me. If you guys have watched my vlog channel, you will know that I'm obsessed with that cord pink trucker jacket that I got from Pretty Little Thing in my last haul. I think that was about 2 months ago. I'm obsessed with it. I live in it. I actually live in it. That's where my home is. That's where I live. This jacket is that same kind of style, same kind of shape, and it is just perfect. It has little clip sleeves like so. Actually, do you know what? I'm gonna put it on for you guys because you just need to see the wonderfulness that is the teddy bear jacket. Because I can't actually deal. Look at this, guys. Just look at it. Like, can you even? Are you able? Are you just able? Because I'm not. I'm actually shook. This is beautiful. It's cropped. We can see it there. Crop. And then it has like a pocket here and a pocket there, which I'm really excited about. And I have black fluff on it already. Great, good one, Ashling. And then it obviously buttons at the bottom. And you can button the whole way up. This is a size 6, which is, I think all of the clothes in this haul are either a small or size 6. If they don't come in a size 6, they're a small. But it fits me just perfectly. And it's so warm. Like, I'm actually boiling. I can't wear this in the house. But I would wear this for the rest of the video if I was able to withstand the heat. But like, look at it. It's so pretty. It's a teddy bear jacket. If this came in like a pink color, I think I'd be all over that as well. I think it comes in like a black and this color, or is it a nude, like more of like a biscuity color in this one, but I'd be just all over it. I want every color now. I really actually want every color. It's so warm. That jacket is like a perfect autumn jacket and even a winter jacket. Even though it's cropped, it would be perfect for the winter because it's just so warm and snug. Next up, we've got a polka dot item here. What is this? This is the white polka dot skinny trousers. Oh my god, when I saw these on the website, I was like, I need these in my life. I have to have them. I love Pretty Little Thing trousers. I mean, I wore the white pair, you know, that like crisscross on the side. I wear them a lot. I love them. So I thought I needed to kind of an updated pair. So these are the polka dot ones and they're high-waisted. They are super pretty. So they have a really tight like ankle on them. I just thought these would be lovely for dinner and they're just something different. I mean, who doesn't love a Dalmatian? And they have pockets in the front, which are just perfect and ideal. And this would be lovely with like a crop top or even like a coloured top. Like you can wear any colour you want with it, like even a mustard top. I actually picked up a really nice kind of mustardy top from Pretty Little Thing not too long ago, so it might go perfect with this. I have an addiction to Pretty Little Thing. I'm not actually kidding, because every single time the doorbell rings and the postman's there with like another pink parcel, my mum is like, seriously Aisling, are you addicted? And I'm like, yes, I need everything from the website. Everything. My life will not be complete without it all. Next up, we have a pair of jeans. Pretty Little Thing jeans are my perfect fit jeans. They fit me perfect on the ankle because I'm 5'4". I sometimes find it difficult to get jeans that fit me on my waist because of a size 6, because sometimes size 6 and they think that you're shorter. For me, I actually have quite long legs for my height. And I find it really hard to get perfectly fitting jeans. So Pretty Little Things jeans fit me perfect to the ankle and they're high-waisted and they fit me well on the waist and I just love them. They're just the best jeans I've ever owned. And I would recommend them to everybody because they're just wonderful jeans. So I picked up a black pair because I have so many denim pairs, and these are the style, I don't know what the style of these are actually, hang on. These are the style Chloe black cutout hem 5-pocket skinny jeans. They have rips in the jeans. They have rips, and then they also have like really skinny ankles with kind of rips in them as well. I'm obsessed with these jeans. Like I actually live in my Pretty Little Thing jeans. I have, I think, about 5 pairs of them now, and like I said, the waist fits me perfect. I always get a size 6. I'm petite and they just fit wonderful, and I'm actually excited to wear them with this camo jacket because it's just, they're a perfect black. Do you know what I mean? They're not like a grey black or like a faded kind of black. They're a perfect dark black pair of jeans. What else can you say about them? I love Pretty Little Things black jeans. So next up we have this little nude package. What is in here? So this is their stone red button front thong bodysuit. So this is what this looks like. It is just a plain bodysuit with little buttons on it. I love the bodysuits from Pretty Little Thing. They're my favorite. I got this in a size 8 because sometimes I wear padded bras because I like to wear padded bras. I love the buttons on it, that kind of like wooden effect kind of buttons. I think they look so pretty. That will look really nice with my teddy bear jacket, because I just think those colours together look really nice. Next up, I have another little black package here. We have, oh, a black crop top, because I was thinking with those polka dot trousers, I might wear this with them, the, you know, a black crop top. I don't know, I just thought that would be nice with it, so I just picked one up. I actually don't own a black crop top, believe it or not. And then the last item in here are cargo trousers. I died when I saw these, and even when I saw them on the model, I was like, I need these. So these cargo pants are in like a what would you call that, like a camel color, and they look so amazing. They have a stretchy waistband, and then they have tight bottoms. So I have a couple of ideas of how I want to wear these. I have a pair of sock boots that look like this, and because the camel is kind of very similar, I was thinking I could wear the sock boots with the cargo pants, and maybe like a camo jacket, or the teddy bear jacket, or even that black jacket that I showed you earlier. These are like going to be a staple for me for the autumn. Cargo pants, you can't go wrong. You heard it here first. Cargo pants are making a comeback. I used to wear these when I was a little kid in the 90s, and now they're back again. Love the cargo pants. They have little pockets on the sides, so like combat pants. I'm really excited for these, guys. Cannot wait to wear them. And keep an eye on Instagram to see how I style these, because I may have like a picture coming up with them soon. So I think that is everything, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's haul. Wow, I have an awful lot of clothes to put away now. Autumn time is my favorite time to dress, because I just feel like you can get all like the cozy clothes on, and like lots of jackets, and style everything with jackets and slouchy cardigans and teddy bear jackets, because I feel like in the summertime you can't really do that, and I feel like jackets really complete an outfit. Am I alone saying that? I don't know. I don't feel alone saying that. I think everybody's saying the same thing as me. They're like, yeah, jackets complete an outfit. Anyway, guys, I've talked for a million years. I hope I didn't bore you. I hope you found something that you wanted to try off the Pretty Little Thing website. So don't forget, all the items that I mentioned today will be linked down below. You can click on them. You can go buy them yourself if you're interested. Let me know what you did pick up off the website. I love hearing your purchases, because sometimes it like enables me to go and buy more. Even though I know I don't need any more clothes, but I have an addiction to buying off Pretty Little Thing. It's becoming a problem at this stage. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thumbs it up if you did, and I cannot wait to see you in my next video for more fun and games. Bye, guys. Love you.